ladies and gentlemen, that was Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to him.
एक है तो सेफ है, ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की महाराष्ट्र सरकार की स्ट्रेटजी है, हम आपको ये दिखाना चाह रहे हैं।
तो आपके रिश्ते के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए भाई।
हम दोनों का एक ही है, मैं जो भी बोलता हूँ
हाँ,
दोनों मिलकर सब करेंगे।
अभी हम लखनऊ एयरपोर्ट में लैंड किए हैं। चरण सिंह जी के नाम का एयरपोर्ट है। ऐसे 7 एयरपोर्ट नरेंद्र मोदी ने गौतम भाई को दे दिए।
That was Rahul Gandhi, frothing and fuming over crony capitalism from Sansad to Sadak, election after election. But does Rahul Gandhi practice what he preaches? Look at these visuals. Congress Member of Parliament Shashi Tharoor sharing stage with Prime Minister Modi, and the occasion is the inauguration of the Vizhinjam seaport in Kerala, but built by Adani Group. This international port was developed at a cost of almost 9,000 crore rupees. This port is India's first dedicated deep water transshipment hub, strategically located near international shipping lanes. The port is expected to significantly boost India's presence in global shipping and trade routes. But more than the strategic significance of this port, what hogged the limelight was Prime Minister Modi's swipe at the India alliance. Prime Minister referred to Tharoor, who was sitting on the stage and had warmly received him at the airport yesterday, saying his presence is going to give many sleepless nights. Not just Tharoor, but there was the Chief Minister of Kerala, the CPM leader, Mr. Vijay. Listen in.
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी मैं कहना चाहूंगा, आप तो इंडी अलायंस के बहुत बड़े मजबूत पिलर है। यहां शशि थरूर भी बैठे हैं और आज का ये इवेंट कई लोगों की नींद हराम कर देगा।
The first time when India bloc embraced Adani, this is the pictures of that. Some of its tallest leaders, including Mamata Banerjee, Sharad Pawar, Revanth Reddy and Ashok Gehlot, have shared warm hugs and inked deals worth crores with this industrialist whom Rahul Gandhi keeps targeting. Caught off guard, the Congress hit back at the Prime Minister, accusing him of targeting the opposition when the entire country stands united against Pakistan. They also rushed to wrestle for credit for the Adani-built port. The question, viewers, is, with Modi's Vikas Mantra winning over even those in the Vipaksh, is this a wake-up call for Rahul and company? That's the question. Joining the debate with Shehzad Poonawalla and Anand Ranganathan are Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, supports the left parties. But my first question goes to Nikhil Jain, Congress supporter, and Nikhil Jain. भाई इतना बोला आपने अडानी के खिलाफ, so much of sound and fury and dust was raised about Adani, and now Shashi Tharoor is sitting on the dais there. Pinarayi Vijayan, Chief Minister of Kerala, is sitting on the dais there with Gautam Adani for the inauguration of the port. It's the country's asset. You're taking pride, the left is taking pride, the BJP is taking pride. Has Rahul Gandhi lost a pole plank, meltdown plank now?
Navika, I think what you're missing is that this port happens to be in the constituency which Shashi Tharoor represents in the Lok Sabha. It happens to be in the state. But you didn't mention it. That is why Shashi Tharoor is found sitting there. That is why Pinarayi Vijayan...
Why were you abusing Adani all this while it was in a left-ruled state?
Navika, Rahul Gandhi has made it very clear that he doesn't have any problem with Adani or Ambani personally. What he has a problem with is crony capitalism and how the country and the people's resources are being given away to these two people. I'll give you an example from a very, very recent news report that came out, I think, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, that BSNL has not raised a bill of over 1,750 crores that is due on Jio because Jio uses BSNL stars. So this government first categorically succumbed BSNL to not being a non-entity essentially, and Jio is using it BSNL stars, but 1,750 crores is not being paid to the taxpayers of the country. Adani has gotten the Mumbai port, and the rumors and the stories and the reports that we have all seen, airport, the arm twisting that was done.
Oh, so your politics is based on rumors? Your politics is based on rumors? Nikhil Jain, you're an advocate.
Reports.
The court courts have looked at this matter. You are basing your entire politics on rumors and damaging the country. Shehzad Poonawalla, shocking admission that politics is based on rumors. Shehzad.
Last evening, Navika, he has not...
Give me half a minute to complete my point, that I also mentioned about news reports. Also, wasn't there a tender by the Maharashtra government for power purchase where the terms of the tender were such that only and only the Adani enterprise could meet, that we want 1800 megawatts of electricity, 1100 has to be from coal, 700 has to be from solar.
All right. You've gone to courts. The courts have looked at the matter. Stop beating your chest, Shehzad.
Now, Navika, last evening Nikhil did not allow me to speak. I hope he is not going to repeat that behavior because I gave
not
all
on my
the time.
Show,
Yeah.
not on my
because
show.
I did not interrupt him even once, and I hope that he will now keep his word as a gentleman. Having said that, हाथी के दांत और राहुल गांधी के सिद्धांत खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग. Let me tell you, there are two Adanis in this country, not one. If Adani invests 60,000 crores in Gehlot in Rajasthan government, good Adani. If Adani invests 12,000 crores in Telangana with Revant Reddy, good Adani. If he invests thousands of crores in Chhattisgarh, Bagel time,
very good Adani.
Mundra Port, Congress government ने गुजरात में दिया, good Adani. Jharkhand और पंजाब में solar power plant project, good Adani. Dighi Port under MVA, good Adani. Sharad Pawar goes to inaugurate his projects, good Adani. Virinium Port given to UDF and LDF and they are taking credit. In fact, Congress is saying left का नहीं, हमारा credit Oman Chandy ने start किया, good Adani. Australian port bought by Adani in 2011, good Adani. Biggest thermal power plant during UPA, good Adani. 6 SEZs by UPA to Adani, good Adani. HDIL Mumbai plot in 2013 to Adani, good Adani. 35,000 of tons of apples bought under Himachal government of Congress party, good Adani. Kerala Congress party Satheesan says कि हमने शुरू किया था Virinium port, ये भी good Adani. But having said that, he said crony capitalism. So I want to ask you one question. The original stand of Congress party in Kerala is that the left parties have compromised with Adani and have given him the project. Is that a correct allegation or is that a false allegation?
Well, Vivek.
And today, Vivek, are you Congress spokesperson or are you left spokesperson?
No, let him clarify. Let him clarify first.
Nikhil.
No, first I'll answer on the
First
point
time
that
Vivek is not answering for Congress. He has said, "Tum batao, batao."
First
This allegation was made by the leader of opposition.
Because today, I think Vivek Srivastava is going to compliment Mr. Modi.
No. You should not compliment Mr. Modi. By the way, the left government...
You are, now because a very good project.
वो हमारे Prime Minister हैं.
Just one line. Left party today has said that Adani is our partner in this port project.
देखिए, see, now first of all...
No, but let me ask. Is there crony capitalism in the Virinium port project?
I think you should ask the Enforcement Directorate. Why are they
why do they never open
a file into Adani or Ambani?
So one second, you're saying Congress Kerala has made a false allegation.
I am not saying that. I'm saying they've made an allegation.
So if it's a right allegation, then he's a corrupt person.
Who am I
Then he's
to
a
say
corrupt
that?
person.
Who am I?
Because you said ED should look at it. You said ED should. So that means has Mr. Vijayan done corruption? Has Mr. Vijayan done corruption? Mr. Vijayan has done corruption.
You're also a lawyer. You know it's not my job to say whether allegations are right or not.
So your leaders are making allegations without checking.
1 minute. Order.
Agencies.
Order. 1 minute. Order.
Why are you not?
I'm coming to you, Anand
Why are you
Ranganathan.
not
I'm
so
sorry. It always pays to be in the studio. The other 3 panelists are in the studios, and I'm sure you're getting extremely restless. But Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you: Can politics be based on rumors, as pointed out by Nikhil? Number one. Number two. Matters. Each and every matter has been looked at by the courts, including the Supreme Court.
Right.
Airports case,
Right.
whether it is, Mundra, Hindenburg, everything has been looked at by the courts.
Right.
फिर भी बोलना, पर साथ में credit भी लेना.
Right.
What is the India alliance a two-faced thing?
No, absolutely
ये
not.
भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, चित भी मेरी, पट भी मेरी. What is going on?
No, India Alliance is a very, the concepts are very clear in India Alliance. We are very clear about who is Mr. Adani and what is our stand. It's a happy day today, happy for our constitution. That the Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister, a very senior member of the Parliament, Mr. Tharoor, everybody is participating in the Jashan of democracy.
Oh.
And I think Shehzad should be happy about it, right? So the Prime Minister is complimenting the Chief Minister as a great leader. अच्छी बात है ना? Appreciate करिए. अब आप आइए अडानी के ऊपर. हम Okay.
No, Anand Ranganathan, please bring it. No, Shehzad. Anand Ranganathan.
Anand ji, 10 seconds de do, please. Congress has said Virinium protesters are victims of development and there is a conspiracy between Pinarayi Vijayan and Adani.
वो स्टेट पॉलिटिक्स में जुमलेबाजी होती है, ठीक है?
नेशनल पॉलिटिक्स में र्यूमरबाजी, स्टेट पॉलिटिक्स में जुमलेबाजी, lowering all faders, Anand Ranganathan, now just go for it.
No, look, the problem is that Rahul Gandhi believes that on odd days Adani is corrupt and on even days he is honest. Now, when in the world, where in the world have you seen such a stand? But that's besides the point. The point I want to make, I'll finish in 20 seconds. इनकी गलती नहीं है, गलती आपकी है नाविका. Through Robert Vadra, who is your great fan, can't you ask Rahul Gandhi 3 questions? रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के थ्रू आप राहुल गांधी से इंटरव्यू ले ले एक बार, उनसे 3 सवाल पूछिए. नंबर 1, ये हिपोक्रेसी में नहाते क्यों है इतना? या इन्होंने 3 फार्म लॉज अपने मैनिफेस्टो में डाले थे, मोदी लाया तो मुकर गए. इन्होंने एनोनिमस इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स, जिसको कहा इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है, उससे 1600 करोड़ रुपए लिए और ये अदानी को करप्ट कह रहे हैं. और आज उसी पोर्ट जिसमें अदानी ने 10,000 करोड़ लगाए हैं, उसका क्रेडिट ले रहे हैं. ये 3 आप रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के थ्रू राहुल गांधी से पूछिए, हो सकता है राहुल गांधी भी आपका फ्रेंड बन जाए.
But you didn't hear what Robert Vadra said. He said, I have to say something nice about him before he becomes my friend. And since nothing that I've said about him is nice so far, well, I have very little leeway with Robert Vadra, least of all Rahul Gandhi, who's boycotted me, and I'm one of those, Hall of Fame anchors whose name is on the boycott list. But on a serious note,
for all his, differences I have with him, he has said that Congress's allegations are jumlebazi. What other allegations of Congress are jumlebazi?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, because they are saying this in the entire country, and they are saying that Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan is corrupt. Now, is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan corrupt, yes or no?
Not, and we are still with the Congress
So
at
is
the
the Congress
center.
wrong on this allegation?
On this allegation, but the India Alliance stands together. India Alliance stands together.
Yes or no?
That doesn't mean we are not together.
standing together. एक दूसरे को गाली भी दे रहे हो, standing together भी हो रहे हो. The Congress party is saying Shashi Tharoor, they are embarrassed with Shashi Tharoor.
अरे इनको बोलो ना, हाथ में लाके we are together. इधर दिखाओ हाथ. We are together. देख रहा है ना together?
Hypocrisy, you
हाँ, हम साथ हैं और हम सरकार भी बनाएंगे. बस बोलो.
20 seconds on the hypocrisy point. 29th April 2024, the Prime Minister says Congress is
One second, answer
for a caste census.
Answer about this.
He will get rattled. He'll get rattled. He'll get a call. He'll get a call from the party office. अरे सच कैसे बोलने दिया? सच कैसे बोलने दिया?
On one issue, 1 minute.
April 25, masterstroke. That is the hypocrisy of the government.
Advocate
2019.
निखिल जैन, एडवोकेट निखिल जैन. ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है, यहाँ बहुत पानी है. ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है, ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है, यहाँ बहुत पानी है. आप पानी लीजिए. But I wanted to congratulate all of you. After all, there's one issue that has brought all of them together, the BJP, the Congress and the left, which has been the Adani port. I think they have forgotten their differences, and the Adani port, which separated them, has actually brought them back together. And from here on, politics in India will be hum saath saath hain. One big happy family, and एक है, safe है, सब है. But ladies and gentlemen, sometimes politics also takes a 360-degree turn for the Congress party. Well, it's just that. We leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour. Good night, be safe, and I'll be back on Monday. Have a safe weekend.